For standard STM-W water heater, the maximum heating temperature can reach up to 120 Celsius degree. P.I.D controller with 4.3 inches LCD with an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Standard equipped with flow display function. Supports weekly timer power on and off, and switching between Chinese and English, Celsius degree and Fahrenheit degree to meet different usages. STM-607W and 910W adopts non-contact heater to reduce the water quality impact on the pipe heater and prolong the heater service life. With SSR solid-state relay control and the high-efficiency water pump, the unit can run more stably and save more energy. Standard equipped with RS-485 interface and buzzer for centralized monitoring and abnormal reminding. For safety, multiple built-in safety displays and alarm devices, such as phase reverse protector, pump overload protector, and overheat protector, equipped with high and low pressure protection, auto water supplying and air exhausting functions, direct cooling with excellent refrigerating effect. An auto refilling device cools down the temperature to set value directly.